Sounds like hiccups to me.
Yeah, maybe. Good news! We think we can cure your hiccups.
Oh, I do hope so.
Mycroft, you need to drink this glass of water. Upside down.
It's worked! No, it hasn't.
This is the worst case of hiccups I've ever seen.